This is the IVO paring knife. It's made out of X55 CR 14 steel, which is very similar to 12C27M. This is essentially what I'd deem a rescue or a restoration. As you can see, there's a huge difference between this and the initial picture where it was found abandoned. This has been sharpened. It takes an edge very easily and very quickly because it's a low carbide stainless steel, very fine grained, and the only primary carbides that remain are less than about 1 micron. So you see it'll do a straight push cut in the newsprint. It doesn't require a draw, but of course it will do slices. There are two small areas on the blade where it will catch. These were heavily damaged. It looks like the knife was actually used to cut a pinner, probably. These were peened back into shape before it was actually sharpened and restored. But very nice paring knife. Specifications are up in the description, but very thin stock, full flat grind. The edge was almost 5/1000ths of an inch thick, and again, very nice stainless steel to sharpen. Now some cutting.